Imagine waking up in a place where every door locks behind you, where every movement is watched, and where one mistake can follow you for the rest of your time inside. Today, we're talking about what life is like as an entry-level prisoner. The bus doors open. You step out in handcuffs, surrounded by tall fences topped with razor wire. Guards shout instructions. This moment is called intake. Your clothes are taken away. Your belongings are searched. You're given a prison uniform and a number. From this point on, you're not just a person anymore. You're an inmate in the system. Next comes the processing room. Fingerprints, photographs, paperwork. Guards ask questions about your history, your health, and your charges. They're not doing this just for records. They're deciding where you fit inside the prison hierarchy. Some inmates will be sent to higher security units. Others go to lower security areas. But as a new prisoner, you start at the bottom. You're watched carefully. Eventually, a guard walks you down a long hallway of metal doors. Clang. One of them opens. This is your first cell. Inside, there's a metal bed, a thin mattress, a toilet, and a small sink. That's it. No privacy, no freedom. Just concrete walls and a locked door. For many people, this is the moment reality finally hits. As an entry-level prisoner, you quickly learn something important. Prison has two sets of rules: the official rules from the guards and the unwritten rules from other inmates. Talk too much. You might attract attention. Sit in the wrong seat at chow. You might start a problem. Trust the wrong person. That could cost you. So most new prisoners do one thing. They observe quietly and learn fast. Your days become predictable. Wake up early. Stand for count. Eat breakfast in the cafeteria. Return to your unit. Some inmates get small jobs inside the prison: cleaning, cooking, or working in maintenance. But as a new prisoner, you mostly spend time adjusting. But the hardest part of entry-level prison life isn't the cell. It's the mental pressure, the noise, the tension, the constant feeling that you're being watched. Every decision matters, and every day feels longer than the last. For many inmates, entry-level prison is the moment they realize something important. Prison isn't just about punishment. It's about survival inside a completely different world.